Last but not least, the 1966 Dodge Charger, midnight blue metallic over black, iconic first-year Charger, 440 cubic inch V8, very clean lines, just a beautiful car. It's funny that we ran long today and I only did 4 cars today.
Oh, interesting.
And they're all Mopar cars.
Yeah.
So.
And because it is near Christmas time, I did tell Steve that there is a gorgeous 56 Chevy convertible, a copper and cream. That would be a nice stock.
Little bow around that.
Yeah, sure.
Take it down to Jared's place.
Sure to do that. The 66, by the way, great body style. And I think they're up and coming as far as collectability. The prices have gone up.
Yeah, they have been a little under the radar for a number of years, and they seem to be going up in the correct direction if you own one.
And the 440 doesn't hurt.
Yeah, unless you don't own one, and you hope they're going the other way.